Look around your city. What do you see? Concrete, traffic, and giants. Not literal giants, but automotive ones. These hulking SUVs define our modern urban landscape. Today, we're reviewing two colossal diecasts, the Matchbox Moving Parts Ford Excursion and the Matchbox Lexus LX Japan series. But this isn't just about horsepower or chrome. These vehicles represent a massive global challenge, rapid urbanization, and the unsustainable cost of suburban sprawl. We're going to explore how these suburban sprawl enablers, these big, bold SUVs, contribute to the very problems plaguing our megacities: congestion, parking crises, and environmental strain. Cities globally are growing faster than their infrastructure can handle. The megacity challenge is real. We need efficiency, we need shared spaces, and we need smart solutions. Yet, the trend over the last 2 decades has been towards vehicles like these, full-sized SUVs. Why? Because they promise safety, luxury, and the ability to conquer the suburban frontier. The promise of a bigger house further away from the dense city center. This phenomenon is what we call suburban sprawl. These large vehicles make the 30-mile commute manageable, encouraging people to live further out. But every giant SUV on that suburban road demands more space. It demands wider lanes, bigger parking spots, and contributes exponentially more to the traffic density of the city core. This creates a self-fulfilling prophecy. More people move out, infrastructure expands, more people buy large vehicles, which then overwhelms the new infrastructure, leading to gridlock and worsening air quality. Let's look at the luxury side of sprawl. The Matchbox Lexus LX Japan series. This shows that the appetite for large, dominant SUVs is truly global, even in densely populated nations like Japan. The LX doesn't just offer size, it offers isolation. It's a quiet, commanding bubble that shields the driver from the chaos of the city it contributes to. This luxury SUV is a paradox, a vehicle designed to conquer the wilderness, primarily used to conquer the school run and the crowded mall parking lot. The Matchbox execution here is crisp, highlighting the imposing grille and the high ride height. But its presence on a tight city street forces other vehicles, and even pedestrians, to adapt. It's a direct contributor to the feeling of density and overwhelming scale in our cities. This diecast, marked with the Japan series tag, serves as a powerful microcosm of the global trend. The desire for automotive dominance, regardless of the urban environment it occupies.
They shine. They shine. Echoes of laughter through the streets. Divine.
Let's look at the king of the suburban frontier, the Ford Excursion. This vehicle, especially in diecast form, perfectly illustrates the American philosophy of bigger is better. It's massive, a true titan of the road. The Matchbox moving parts detail reminds us of its functionality, moving people, moving gear. But its social function is more complex. It's an engine of sprawl. Its size directly contributes to the inefficient use of limited urban and parking space. Imagine a dozen of these trying to navigate a narrow, historic city street. We admire the diecast's detail, the solid build, the scale representation of its enormity. But the full-sized vehicle was a symbol of excess and low fuel economy in its time. Its sheer scale throws the problems of urbanization into sharp relief. It's a fantastic diecast model, but a challenging reality on the road.
On the water's glow, Barcelona's rhythm, let the music flow. Dancing in prayer, where the moon hangs low, low, low. Every city tells a tale we follow. From Paris skies to Berlin nights, we're chasing dreams in neon lights. Lights in the city, oh, they shine, they shine. Echoes of laughter through the streets, divine. Cobblestones under our feet, so fine, so fine. You and me, just a moment in time. From Paris skies to Berlin nights, we're chasing dreams and neon lights. Love at Europe, we're flying, flying. Hearts are racing, no denying, denying. Hold me close, don't let it go. Love at Europe, it's all we know. Whispers in Venice, on the waters go. Barcelona's rhythm, let the music flow. Dancing in pride.
These two diecast giants, the Ford Excursion and the Lexus LX, are extraordinary models, capturing the ambition of automotive engineering. But as urbanization continues to accelerate globally, we must view these choices critically. The choice of vehicle is rarely just personal, it's an urban planning decision. The next time you're stuck in traffic, look at the size of the vehicles around you. Ask yourself, are these vehicles helping us adapt to the megacity challenges? Or are they actively driving the unsustainable expansion and congestion we all despise? Maybe the answer to sprawl isn't bigger roads, but smaller cars. What do you think? Do big SUVs belong in big cities? What's the biggest challenge your city is facing right now? Traffic, pollution, or parking? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more diecast reviews that look deeper than the paint job.